Don't let the stock boost tubes slow you down. I'm Vlad.
And I'm Jake. And today, we're here to talk to you about our FL5 and DE5 replacement boost tubes.
So, what are boost tubes and how do they deliver this critical airflow?
Well, when we say boost tubes, we're referring to the OEM rubber hoses that go in and out of your intercooler into the throttle body. They have to handle high temperature, boost pressure, and be able to flex and bend to allow for powertrain movement.
While the OEM rubber hoses, boost tubes, do a good job, they leave some performance opportunity on the table even for a stock Type R, and especially for upgraded cars. And once you really start adding power, those thin wall rubber sections become a really big weak link.
Now, let's be straight. This isn't a mod that's going to suddenly make a huge impact on power, but what it will do is add more robustness into your setup over the stock boost tubes, especially once you turn up the boost.
Our solution is a direct fit system that installs cleanly with the OEM intercooler or any aftermarket intercooler that retains OEM end tank mounting location. No trimming required.
Now, every kit includes 2 wire reinforced silicone tubes, plus a 3rd replacement piece for your throttle body connection. Each play a role in reducing pressure drops in the system. And rounding out this kit will be a set of stainless steel T-bolt clamps to ensure durability at each connection point.
The result? Faster turbo response and a more efficient system that helps your DE5 or FL5 make consistent, repeatable power. Now, all you have to do is choose which color you prefer, or a nice stealth gray finish, or a pop of redline red.
Whether you're chasing tenths of a second on the track, or just want a stronger, cleaner setup under the hood, this is the foundation every boosted Type R deserves. If you've never blown an OE boost tube, you don't understand how important this is. Get your very own set today in the link in the description below and crank up the boost, brother.